Hello everyone, my name is Marina. I have been teaching Russian as a foreign language for over 10 years. In this video, I want to tell you about a course that is suitable for you if you are just starting to learn Russian language and if you are sure that you want to self-study. The course is called From Zero to A1. This course is made exactly for the very beginners who don't know Russian language at all. Even they do not know the Russian alphabet. Or maybe know some words in Russian. The course is in 2 languages, English, tasks are written in it, and Russian, because you will learn Russian language in this course. There are 34 lessons. Each lesson is divided in 2 or 3 sections. Each section necessarily contains new material, new lexical and grammatical material, tasks for practice new material, audio files and texts. There are also tasks for recording yourselves and write your texts. The lessons also have video instructions on different grammar topics. Why this course is unique? In fact, all the materials are already collected just for you to learn Russian language easily and self-study, and don't just assembled but structured logically for easy learning. Another uniqueness of this course is the feedback. After completing each lesson, the teacher checks your work, your progress and difficulties and sends you feedback. The feedback can be in audio or text message. The feedback is a kind of teacher's assessment of your progress. If the teacher sees that some topic is difficult for you, then he will explain you this material so you will not miss anything important while learning Russian. If your progress is excellent, the teacher will notice it and appreciate your success. So, what is in the course From Zero to A1? Lexical topics about your family, about your life, about your friends, about your education, work, city, food, interests, health, transport, weather, holidays, congratulations and others. Grammar topics, Russian nouns and case system, the verb in the present, past and future tenses, aspects of verbs, verbs of motion. Yes, in Russian we have such special verbs to show different type of movement. There or there and back, on foot, by different transport and so on. Numbers, adjectives, pronouns and adverbs. By the way, each grammar topic is presented in PDF files, so you can download and print it for yourself. At the end of the course, you take an A1 level test. By the way, A1 level allows you to use simple sentence and phrases, talk about the place where you live and the people you know, understand the phrases and the most common words and sentences, write simple letters, notes, messages, postcards, understand text on simple everyday topics. And you can do all of this after this course From Zero to A1. After the course, you can come to Russia and not be afraid to hear unfamiliar speech. You will already understand Russian. Not everything, but a lot. We call it like survival language or survival level. Once again, the course consists of 34 4 lessons. You can take the lesson at your own pace. No one will slow you down or rush up. You calmly complete the lesson in your own speed. Send it to the teacher for verification. In fact, on the platform where is the course, all the tasks will be checked automatically. But you remember that you have teacher's feedback after each lesson, and teacher needs to monitor your progress. He will guide you to A1 level step by step, so you will definitely achieve success. After checking, you move to a new lesson. Also, the course from 0 to A1 will be convenient for you. The course is located on a modern interactive platform on which you can additionally create your own vocabulary, your own dictionary of new words. There is no need to write down words on special document or in a special notebook. The interactive platform has already a vocabulary training function. How does it work? There are several options. What else? The tasks, as well as the entire course, remain with you forever. After completing the course, you can return to it again in order to repeat something, recall something in your mind, or check. By the way, it is possible that someday I will decide to add some new material to the course. And in this case, you will also get access to the new material without additional purchases. This course is timeless. This course is unique. This course is with full feedback. And most importantly, you can take this course on a computer, phone, or tablet. It will be convenient from all the gadgets. If you have questions about the course from 0 to A1 or want to join it, then write to me by email rulenclub@gmail.com or write in the comments. That's it. Пока-пока. До скорой встречи. And let's meet on the course from 0 to A1.